In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign someone as a channel email admin in Slack. First, make sure you're signed into your Slack workspace and that you have the right permissions to manage roles. Usually, this means you're an owner, an admin, or someone with access to the admin settings. If you're not sure, you could always check with the person who manages your Slack workspace. Once you're in Slack, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see an option labeled something like admin or administration, depending on your workspace setup. Go ahead and click on that. This will open your main administration area where you can control different settings and permissions for your workspace. From there, find and click on Manage Roles. This is the section where Slack lets you define who can do what across your workspace. It's also where you'll be able to assign someone as a channel email admin. When the roles page loads, look through the list of available roles and select the role related to channel email admin. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your configuration, but you're looking for the role that controls email functionality for channels. Click on that role to open its details, and near the role name, you should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This is where Slack keeps additional actions for that role. In the menu that appears, click on Assign People. This is the option that lets you choose which users in your workspace will be given this specific role and its permissions. Slack will now guide you through a set of on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to search for a person by their name or username. Start typing the name of the person that you want to assign as a channel email admin, then select them from the list that appears. And if you need to assign more than one person, you can usually add multiple users during this step. Once you've selected the right person or people, follow the remaining prompts to confirm the assignment. Before you click confirm, it's a good idea to double check that you've chosen the correct individuals, since this role affects how email is managed in your channels. And after you confirm, Slack will save your changes and those users will now have the channel email admin role. You could always return to the same manage roles section later if you ever need to remove or update their access. But that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.